vegan heaven kasi ang daming vegan options. Merong vegan sushi, merong kung pao. Vegan heaven kasi ang daming vegan options and this is all for a good cause. Kaya this is such an amazing win-win situation.
Behind me is the buffet line. By the way, all of the people that were running this, that cooked, you're all volunteers. They weren't paid. Hindi sila binayaran because this is for charity event. This is not all vegan, but pretty much most are, and then there are a few vegetarians. Pero they're clearly labeled naman.
Round 1, fight!
This is just the first plate that I got. Ayan o, punong-puno. So, syempre, mga sabik, especially if you're hungry. So, I got all kinds. My favorite, no, is kung pao. But this one is made of lion's mane mushrooms. Tapos may fried rice. May iba't ibang klaseng sushi.
Round 2, fight!
This is my second plate. And the second plate of my most favorites, yung kung pao, lion's mane, and the yuba. And the fried rice, para terno. Of course, this is still a Pinoy style for me. Kailangan may kanin din. And this is everybody's favorite naman, yung sashimi.
Round 3, fight!
This is very unusual. Tsaka kuha niya yung lasa. Let me go ahead and try one. So let's see. I'm gonna put the whole thing. It has the right texture, na gelatinous, at saka with the wasabi and the soy sauce. It really reminds me of the real sashimi. Kaya this is such a treat.
Round 4, fight!
This chocolate cake, aba, social, meron pang gold flakes at strawberry. I like it, very fudgy, not too sweet. Yun naman talaga gusto ko. At saka mas maraming cake instead of frosting. Texture-wise, crumbly. But the flavor I really like. Ito naman, sinamahan din nila. They also added the gold flakes. This is pomelo cake, also vegan din. And that's it. This is the vegan buffet that they would hold every once in a while by the Tzu Chi Foundation. Ang sarap. Overall, nag-enjoy ako. I'm glad that they have added more vegan options for dessert. I hope more pa. Usually, I don't do buffets, but this one is really for a good cause. So, pwede talaga. Pwedeng-pwede. And of course, the service, the volunteers were so sweet and gracious. Once they have the next one, of course, I will be supporting again because it helps not just my tummy, but our fellow Filipinos dito sa Pilipinas. Till next time!